When we talk about where oil is, we're actually talking about sedimentary basins, huge geological containers where the hydrocarbon was generated, migrated through porous rocks, and got trapped under a seal. And if you understand the 10 largest and most influential basins, you understand a good part of the world's energy map. I'll list them for you. 1. The Persian Gulf, the Arabian-Iranian Basin in the Middle East. It's a super province of the planet. Many giant fields, mostly medium to heavy crudes, with historically low lifting costs. The main risk, geopolitics and critical maritime routes. 2. Mesopotamia, Iraq and its regional extension. It shares the same regional petroleum system. The reserves are huge, medium to heavy crudes, and massive onshore production. The challenge isn't whether there's oil, but rather infrastructure, security, and operational stability. 3. Western Siberia in Russia, one of the largest onshore basins in the world. It produces medium crudes on a large scale. Technically, the challenge is the extreme climate, logistics, and today also the factor of sanctions and access to technology and financing. 4. The Permian Basin, United States. The Permian Basin is the engine of shale tight oil. Typically light crude, high productivity, and speed of development. The B-side, rapid declines per well, the need to drill continuously, and dependence on price and midstream. 5. The Gulf of Mexico, United States and Mexico. A key offshore province with deepwater projects, light to medium crude, its high engineering, platforms, FPSOs, risers, subsea. The risks, hurricanes, high capex, and long lead times. 6. Brazil's pre-salt, Santos and Campos, an offshore game changer. Light to medium crudes in deep waters under layers of salt. It's technically complex, but with very productive fields. Risk, capex, execution, and offshore logistics. 7. The oil sands of Alberta, Canada, and Athabasca. It's not traditional liquid oil, it's extra heavy bitumen. It's produced by mining or by thermal processes like SAGD. The upside is enormous resources, and it's very stable. Risk, cost, energy consumption, and environmental and regulatory pressure. 8. The Orinoco Belt, Venezuela. It's also extra heavy. The critical point is the how. It needs diluents or upgrading to be able to move and sell it. Risks, infrastructure, financing, sanctions, and operational continuity. 9. The Niger Delta, Nigeria. A very large historical province with light to medium crudes and an onshore-offshore mix. The technical factor mixes with the operational one. Security, theft, vandalism, and shutdowns affect the actual flow. And 10. The North Sea, UK, and Norway. Mature offshore, highly regulated, and with top-tier engineering. Light to medium crude. The risk, high costs, mature fields, and the big issue of decommissioning, the removal of facilities. If you want to quickly evaluate any country, ask yourself 3 questions. Which basin does it dominate? What quality of crude does it produce? The API and sulfur content? And what is the operational risk? That tells you much more than any headline. This is TrendOil Vision, understanding oil like a professional. If you like these videos, give it a like, subscribe, ask questions, and comment. Thanks.